Connor, you watching out for the hawks? See a hawk or something? Is there a hawk here? Hear that sound they're making? That caw, caw, caw. That's the sound they make when they see a hawk. Yep, there it is. I never noticed the hawks until the parrots pointed them out to me. The most common hawk in the area is the red-tail. I usually see red-tailed hawks, Cooper's hawks, sometimes sharp-shinned, red-shouldered hawks. Connor is not as fearful as the cherryheads. It takes a lot more to worry him. They have hawk alarms that go out constantly, and Connor will ignore a lot of those hawk alarms. He's not as afraid of the hawks as the cherryheads are. They see a soaring bird, they'll take off. Connor has to be certain that it's a real danger. The flock has several different ways of responding to hawks. Sometimes what it does is it scatters off in a lot of different directions so that it confuses the hawk and the hawk doesn't know which way to go. Another method is kind of funny. The flock flies up behind the hawk and then follows it. And then the hawk can only attack from above and behind. So it neutralizes the hawk. I saw this huge red-tailed hawk nest in Golden Gate Park. It's in the trees right above Stowe Lake. The babies were tearing up the bird that the mother had brought in. Usually, you just see red tails eating rodents, things like that. They're not inclined to eat birds as much, but obviously, occasionally they will eat a bird. You can see the babies eating the feathers of the bird. Being eaten by a hawk has got to be a parrot's worst nightmare. There usually is a watch parrot.
Oh.
Looking for hawks.
What are their other predators besides hawks and cats? Or is that about it?
Human beings. I think that's really the only other danger they face is human beings.